In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a baby voice in ElevenLabs quickly and easily using a simple voice selection method. This is a great trick if you want a softer, younger, or more playful sounding voice for your content without having to spend a lot of time experimenting with settings. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open ElevenLabs and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Voices section. This is where you can browse and manage all of the available voices inside ElevenLabs. Next, use the search bar and type in KUON or simply search for QON. This makes it easier to find the specific voice you want without scrolling through the entire list. When QON appears in the results, click the plus icon on the voice. This will add it to your personal voice library, which is usually called My Voices. Adding it here is important because it makes the voice available for your own text-to-speech projects. After that, head over to the Text-to-Speech tab. This is the area where you turn written text into audio. Now paste in the prompt or script you want ElevenLabs to speak. You can use anything from a short sentence to a full paragraph, depending on the result you want. Before you generate the audio, make sure QON is selected as the active voice. This step is very important because if another voice is selected, you will not get the baby voice effect you're expecting. Once QON is chosen, review your text one more time and then click Generate. ElevenLabs will process the prompt and create the audio using that voice. After a few moments, your baby-style voice should be ready to preview, download, or use in your project. If you want to make the results sound even better, try using shorter sentences, simple wording, and a playful tone in your prompt. That can help the voice sound more natural and clean. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create a baby voice in ElevenLabs using QON and the text-to-speech tool. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.